Opportunities is very important. It's about figuring out how to do what to do. Without opportunities, we don't have any chance. We can imagine all about things. We can make plans in our dream, but the reality is quite different, especially and when we do something for the first time, it's newly uh, different from something we get used to. So, and then opportunities are very important. Yesterday, we made a program, stand-up paddleboard and surfing for students. And then stand-up paddleboard is really a little bit easier and then much more safer than surfing. In terms of surfing, actually surfing is extreme sports. Because the basic level from the high level, and then it means the low risk to high risk, and who should know about the control about what to do. Let's think about and then who has no experience in the ocean or the waves for themselves, for example, and they have experienced you swimming or enjoying the beachside in summer season, go into the with the tube and then they just hang around the beach and salt water. But and then surfing is quite different in terms of the course and then what to do. Yesterday waves about 60 or 80, sometimes 1 meter. And then each set waves comes, and there are two group surfing team, and then with the instructors who has experience in surfing, and also the teaching uh, surfers, beginner surfers. But mostly, and then the session is too short, and then it's not enough time to guide it in detail. So and then I attended for lifeguard or the watcher and checking out some dangerous points. It might be little serious. Then I thinking about I have also experienced in so many students, young children or grown-ups doing water sports, open water swimming, stand-up paddleboard, kayaking, and surfing as well. So, and then I watched the students, the middle schoolers. They came into the water, but the paddle out is not simple because even the instructor told them to how to manage it, paddle out, how to carry the board, what the posture, what position is safe, and then the penetrating the wave, and then what is important, why, and then they each surfer should keep a distance for the safety, all the things. But in the water with instructors, and then some something a little different because attendant surfer, beginner surfer especially, they don't care about um, around situation because they don't know what to do or they just uh, focus on how to manage the board first time because it is first time. That is the point. They have no experience, no opportunities. That is the for the first time what they do. So I think there's something need time, a little bit need time. How long does it take for them to get used to managing all the things or awareing about uh, waves and then hit the waves and then comes waves and then caring about each other. It takes a little time, not a long time. Because first they are struggling handling the board. They cannot manage the waves. The board is comes out to the power of wave and then push the board. Even they try to catching well, but the posture or the position of them, uh, their position is not good, luckily, and then the waves power isn't not strong enough to push them. If the wave is the too power and then push it uh, board and the surfers at the same time, and that is a little dangerous situation. But then they manage it, yes, and then they manage that. But they understand about how to position is important, and then they try to. Some people when surfing, and then feeling comfortable or getting balance, even though they can do that, but they are a little bit fear in on the water. They're all the situation. Each student, each surfer has a different feeling, different physical ability, and understand about the water. Actually uh, we don't know. If we know about each other, and then it take a long time, like first camp for many years. They one by one, day by day, and then from the sub camp, and then we are knowing about in detail what to do. So and then that is opportunity to managing how we do surfing and then how we know route to water and the opportunity is very important. But reality is not enough. Only the program is very short, like exclusion and then the filtering. It too much short for them to understand about and figure it out how to do what to do. And just little opportunities and then adaptation will be some small area in their activities. So, and then I stood on the shoreline and then looking students struggling and managing and caring and getting used to after that and figuring out what to do, how to do. And also they're so enjoyable because and then they feel the power of wave and then with friends and together, even some dangerous situation, they manage a little bit trying to avoid the people and then the holding board or something. Luckily, and then not big issue, and then about safety and what um, should know about much more take time or the new group and too many attendants in surfing. So that is a little problem about program, but the program is program. So and then I think about surf camp for the duration and the long-term plan in program. But who will attend? That is the matter. But without programs, who gonna attend? So and then making camp um, is very important. So I'd like to do it some more in detail, making program from issue. this, and then for young or the beginners, and then who attend for that, especially a little big waves, not the shallow water, the opportunity to do that, and then we can manage it about the camp, the camp, but it matter time, duration, getting used to, opportunity, and then figuring out how to do, what to do, for the safety and enjoy. The surfing is an extreme sport, from low risk to high risk by managing ability and then low ability to high ability is getting balance from the ability. All the sports is similar, but the surfing is much more important about well-trained in the water and become a good surfer, and it's very good and very important. Okay, now I can summarize with AI. With the help of AI, I can make content in Korean as well.